To register a newborn baby's birth certificate in the UK, parents must do so within 42 days of the child's birth. The registration should take place at the local register office in the area where the baby was born, although some hospitals may offer on-site registration before discharge. If the parents are married or in a civil partnership, either can register the birth. If not, both must attend to include the father's details. During the appointment, you'll need to provide key information such as the baby's full name, date and place of birth, and details about both parents including names, birthplaces, occupation, and addresses. It's also important to bring valid identification such as a passport, birth certificate, or driving license, and if applicable, a marriage or civil partner certificate. After registration, you'll receive a short birth certificate for free, and you can purchase a full version that includes parental details. This certificate is essential for accessing services like child benefit and registering with a GP. For full guidance or to book an appointment, visit the official UK government page at gov.uk/register-birth.